for something else, and this arrived. Some of you might already know what it is. I actually don't know what's in here. But we have Leadership Live. Normally this is in person. Last year around this time, I actually was in Arizona for it, and they had canceled it like 15 minutes before I was headed out to go on my flight. But I still went. And I got to see some wonderful doTERRA family, and I got to see my husband. That was the best part. That was the sweetest part. That was icing on the cake. And they had sent boxes and stuff too for that. So I know this is kind of the fun swag, but I thought I'd share with you guys. Usually for leadership, it's certain leaders. When you hit a certain rank, we call it a rank, but basically you hit certain goals in the company, and they will recognize you, and you get to do some continuing education to be a better leader for your teams, your people, your customers, that sort of thing. And I love it because we learn a lot. This year it is open to pretty much anyone who is a doTERRA leader, which is awesome. And I know a few of you, Kim, I'm going to call you out because I know you got your ticket yesterday, and Cassie, my mom, are watching online. So the nice thing and the beautiful thing is you can do that right now. I think that is a blessing because it gives a lot of people the opportunity to watch. And then you can purchase.
Mara Schmidt is watching.
Who?
Mara Schmidt.
Mara. Hi, Mara. And you can purchase this. I know some people can just purchase and get a ticket so they can learn something if they want to. But I'm excited. I was just feeling like Christmas today. So many presents. So we'll see what Wally says. Maybe we'll have some comments from the Peanut Gallery over there. I like the color. What do you think of the color?
It's a box.
It's green. It's pretty. All right. Ooh, it's very manly. Look at that. It's not all foo-foo, flowery, and girly. Ooh, there we go. All right. So, wow. I'm having a Becca moment. I don't want to rip the tissue. I ripped the tissue. All right. What is in here? Ooh. We got a white hat this time. That's going to get dirty real fast for me. I get things dirty quickly, especially if they're white. I like how simple it is. That's nice. It'll come in handy for my bad hair days or when I don't want to wash my hair. We all have those, right? Little trick. If you have something white with your laundry, do some lemon essential oil and vinegar. Works wonders, especially on white things. All right. Oh dear. I have a feeling I'm going to be posing in some pictures for something. This is kind of cool. I think it's going to be really interactive. Then they have the leadership retreat live. It looks like
Bethany is watching.
Hi, Bethany. Did you get yours, Bethany? It looks like it talks about all the guest speakers, things like that. The marketplace, which is where you get some fun stuff you don't normally buy. Yeah, I'm excited. This is super cool. Okay. Oh boy. Oh. Ooh. Top secret. Do not open until instructed during event. You're all going to be in suspense like me. Good thing I have some.
Hers isn't here yet.
Hmm?
Hers isn't there.
It isn't here. I'm impressed it's here, Bethany, with moving. I didn't get my address changed until I think it was last week when I did my order. So I'm impressed it's here because I had a feeling it was going to end up somewhere else. And then someone would have to ship it to me like they did for convention stuff. All right. Oh, this is cute. It's a magnet. Post to empower, not to impress. This is about social media. So true. Stickers. I love stickers. I have some nieces and nephews that would love the stickers. It's about business stuff for posting. Healing Hands Foundation. Looks like
Catching the sneak peek through you. Yikes.
Oh.
Haha, glad it made it to you.
Yes, I am so glad. That is a huge blessing. Okay, so Wally, can you smell that? We might need to pull out some Purify. Healing Hands is one of the reasons I love doTERRA. It is the foundation they created to be able to give back, a nonprofit organization. I'm excited to go through this and read. So this is a lot of stuff that they've done, and over the last year.
Hi, Bethany.
Things they support. So I'm excited to read that. This is about living doTERRA. Ooh, Bethany, this is so cool. This is business building. I like that it's got the rings. This is really nice for taking notes. Ooh. Continuing education, setting goals, being prepared. This is super important for building businesses and just as a leader in general. A lot of things I learned in my DCE classes is making sure you have your why, having a plan. That's what business plans are all about. Setting up your goals and then reaching those goals and reevaluating. And this is the bag. I love bags. You guys need to see my stash of bags. doTERRA bags.
No.
This is so cool. It's army green, Wally. I think I have a new purse. New tote bag. I love this. So it's got a little bit of the leather look here and here, and then up here. And then it's got the green. This is like a canvas bag. Feel it, Wally. It's a nice material. Bethany, you're going to like this. I think this would be a cute little diaper bag as well, ladies and gentlemen. I think the husbands would be happy to carry this one around. It's not all foo-foo girly, right? If it was a diaper bag. I'm getting laughed at over there. But yeah, you can put your water bottles there. I'm trying to sell it. Come on. I'm trying to give the different usages. Ooh, notebook. No, mine. And a pen. You got plenty of pens. All right, so typically we usually get a bag. We get a lanyard because we put our name tag on it. There's a pen. I'm liking the green. It's a notebook. And the inside, let me see if it's got pockets. Yes, it has pockets. Looks green inside. Loving the colors. Ooh, yep. All right, so it's got a pocket, and then it's got a space to put your oils. I'm liking this bag. It's not a regular backpack. It's just a nice little tote carrying bag. I love it. I love it. What do you think, Wally? I'm just getting a head shake. So I'm super excited about this top secret. You guys hopefully will be joining us on leadership so you can find out and get yours too. Yeah, because I probably can't share on social media if it's top secret what it is. So that's what I have for you all. This was exciting. What do you think, Wally? Any comments from the peanut gallery? I get a thumbs up. He's really tired. We had his buddies over and we definitely feel like old people. We hit after 10 o'clock and we're like pumpkins. We're squashes. We're not, we want to go to bed. And we were up late. So, yeah, we feel old. But it was fun. Got to hang out with the guys and meet some of Wally's buddies. Yeah, there we go. I'm super excited. If you liked this video, be sure to like, heart. If you loved it, give me an emoji. I don't know what this is for. I'll let you guys know. But I have a feeling there's going to be some pictures in my future. All right, we'll see you all next time. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. And Bethany, I hope yours comes soon. Like I said, that was really impressive. They got it to the right address. So blessings come in all sorts of sizes. I love it. All right, bye everyone.